Good morning, students of grade 1. Myself, Bhagwati Prajapat, and I'm your maths teacher. Today we are doing lesson 3. Lesson 3 is numbers 70 to 79 in content book on page number 41. Okay, students, so let's start. Question number 1. Write the numbers from 70 to 79. This question we will solve in our notebook. Before that, solve question number 2. Write true or false. Okay, we will solve this question in our content book. So let's start. In this, we have to find out which statement is true or false. In question A, these are groups of 10. These are groups of 10. That means in one group we have 10 points. We have 10, 10, 10. Like this, we have all these groups 10, 10 points. Okay, now count all groups 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 groups we have, and we have 2 single points. Okay, so first of all, we will start from ones place. We have 2 single points. Okay, we have 2 single points. We don't have any group of 10. So, 8 ones place we have 2. 8 ones place we have 2. And 8 tens place. And 8 tens place, how many groups we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 7 tens we have? Yes, 7 tens we have. That means this statement is true. This statement is true. Now come on B. Let's count. First of all, 8 ones place. We have only one dot or one point. So, 8 ones place we have to write here 1. And we have here 9. So, this one is wrong. We have to put here 1. Okay. And how many groups we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This one is right. 7 tens. But 8 ones place we have only 1. So this statement is false. This statement is false. Now come on C. Let's count 8 ones place. How many points we have? 1, 2, 3. We have 8 ones place, 3 ones. And how many groups we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And in each group we have 10 points. So that's why we have here tens place. Okay, and 7 groups we have. Let's see, on tens we have 7 or not? No, we have here only 6, and here should become 7. But we have here 6 on tens. So this statement is wrong. That means false. That means false. Okay, now come on question number 3. How many tens and ones are there in 76? This work also we will solve in our notebook. Question number 1 and 3 we will solve in our notebook. So students, take out your notebook. Question number 1 we are doing in our notebook, and mention today's date. L means lesson 3. Lesson 3 we are doing. Question number 1, write the numbers from 70 to 79. Okay, we have to write here the numbers from 70 to 79. Students, in this question, we don't have here that we have to write number names or note, but our knowledge we will write here number names also. Okay, First of all, we will put our places. 0 means or O means ones and T means tens. Okay, and we are writing counting 70, 71. 1 will put on ones place or 7, 8, tens place. Okay, like this we will write our counting. And in this, how many ones we have? Yes, we have here 0 ones. We have here 0 ones. Okay, and how many tenses we have? We will see our places, ones and tens. And tens place we have 7. We have 7 tens and 0 ones in our 70. Okay, and number name is 70. SEVENTY. 70. Okay, now come on. Next, what will come after 0? Yes, 1. And we are writing counting of 70. Okay, after 0, what number will come? 1. Okay, so we will write 1, 7. The number is 71. Okay, and 1. On which place 1 we have? Yes, right. 1 is 8, ones place. And how many tenses we have? 7 tenses. Okay, we have 7 tenses. And the number is 71. Number is 71. And we will write 70 SEVENTY. 71. 71. This will be repeated, and we will write counting 1, 2, 3 like this. Okay, now we have after 1 what number will come? 2. After 1 what number will come? 2. And 7. 72. 8 ones place we have 2, so we will write here 2. And 8 tens we have 7 tens. And what is the number name? Yes, 72. 72. Now come on. Next, what number will come after 2? Yes, after 2 the number come 3. 73. And 3, 8 ones place. So we will write here 3 and 7 tens. And the number name is 73. 73. 73. THREE. 73. Now come on. Next. What number will come next? After 3, 4. 74. And 4, 8 ones place. 4, 8 ones place. And 7 is 8 tens. Now we have in 74 7 tens, 4 ones, and the number name is 74. 74. Now what will come next or after 4? Yes, 5. So we will write here 75. And 8 ones place what we will write? 5. And in tens place we have 7 tenses. And the number name is 75. FIVE. 5. Now what number will come after 5? Yes, 6. After 5, 6. The number is 76. And 6, 8 ones place. So we have 6 ones and 7 tenses. Okay, and the number name is 76. SEVENTYSIX. 76. And after 6 what number will come? Yes, 7. So we will write here 77. and we have here 7 ones and 7 tens. The number name is 77. Okay, now turn the page. Yes, after 77, what number will come after 7? Yes, 8. 78, because we are writing numbers in 70. Okay, so 78. And we have in this 8 ones. We have here 8 ones and 7 tens. 7 tens. The number is 78 and the number name is SEVENTY 78 EIGHT 78. Now come on next. What number will come next or after 8? Yes, 9. 79 and we have here 9 ones. We have here 9 ones and 7 tens. The number is 79. The number is 79. Yes, we completed. Now come on question number 3, because we already completed question number 2 in our content book page number 41. Now come on question number 3. How many tens and ones are there in 76? This one is number name. Okay students, you all know what is the number name. If we write the spelling of number, that's called number name. Okay, the number name is 76. The number name is 76 and we are writing in numeral. So we will write first of all ones place 6 and tens place we have 7. So how many ones and tenses we have in this? Yes, we have 6 ones and 7 tens. Yes, we have 6 ones because 6 8 ones place and 7 tenses. So we have to write here 7. I hope you all understand students. Bye bye.